Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you have a cat who loves to chase things around?
If so, I recommend getting this set of laser pointers. I love that they actually look like pens and they just have an easy little click button, which my cat now knows the sound of. They come in 3 different colors, which is super fun for variety. We kind of just keep one in a different spot of the house so that we're always ready to play. My cat loves this so much. Now, these lasers can be pretty bright, so of course, use caution so you don't accidentally shine them in anyone's eyes. But it is just so much fun. It's such a simple toy, but totally drives my cat crazy. She loves to chase things. She's pretty smart, so she has figured out where the laser is coming from, but she still has a lot of fun with it. And it's just such a nice toy to keep her active, to help her to run around. She doesn't get sick of it easily, and we have a lot of fun playing with her too. So everybody's happy with this.
We have so much fun playing with our cat with this laser pointer. I highly recommend checking it out if you think that your cat would have a great time with it as well, but that's just my point of view.